party ni don ka Jingkerman ka kraw ka election Kamdon abang small gi kubor na keling saudong na dang step kibri kibala Leit ban yang lai be kapor itu san baji gitu ka te kai we ka dak ka ba smutanat ba Paidbah ula tharang shisha ya kata kesengi badai kata hikalong ka dak ka pau jom kata kajing terang kajing anut jom ki ban I no yang kajing kala ganika kenti
im lagi dan kat sini ba kidon gini sa priang gini ki kubor thok atau kan sama patai di aku PE begini kalau kata desi
MP kam pi apa kini ki kana ki ba usti ki ba kim pendon kam dah ka thok ke syukur kata ko dek kajing thok ke syukur you know you Paidbah ma ni kum ka party nadu ke sengi ke banikong ni persang wan Leit ban pensyai Pynsngewthuh Paidbah umong bastat Paidbah umong basyampang Paidbah umong tip ialah ka jong ka mai la ka jong ka hok ialah ka bor kum unong tap vote dan rai ki don de kini ki ba yalam bakla pat kani kam dai ka sin ka banikong kani kadi ka dak ba ki don ki bersyukur tang ban syu pen be ju Paidbah ban syu thok ban syukur ju Paidbah na begini ki senam aro bla Leit now kalong ke ke asosiasi kan kum kani kapor ban pinak kwa ban be ban syu thok ban syukur ban yalam baklai Paidbah kapong ke ba sultanat bat ka iknat kan ingim don kan hunu kajing atatin parti hi ki Paidbah hi ki Pynsngewthuh ki syai bat kunta I kajing start kajing Paidbah.
The same thing in English only. We have seen that just yesterday there were so many news clips circulating trying to connect VPP with the BJP and all of that. So what do you see? How do you see this attempt to malign the image of the party?
See, as a party from day one when we started our when we started our campaign, our objective throughout the campaign is to educate people, to make people aware of their rights and of the power of people. Unfortunately, these elements, it's not just this time, but all throughout the years gone by, that this has been the dirty tricks. Instead of educating people, instead of enlightening people. So even this time also they've tried, but people are now, are aware of their rights. People they now know what politics is all about. After we, as a party, the Voice of the People Party, have been moved, traveling all throughout the length and breadth of this